Cheese is a dairy product derived from milk through a process of coagulation that involves curdling the milk with the help of bacteria and enzymes, during which the solid parts separate from the liquid whey, resulting in the formation of curds, which are then drained, pressed, and aged to develop various flavors and textures. The first step in making cheese begins with warming the milk to a specific temperature before adding cultures that help ferment the lactose into lactic acid, followed by the addition of rennet, which causes the milk to coagulate, forming curds that are then cut into smaller pieces to facilitate whey drainage. After curds have formed and whey has been drained, the curds are then cooked and stirred at controlled temperatures, allowing them to expel even more whey, after which they are placed into molds where they are pressed under controlled conditions to create the desired shape and texture. Once the cheese has been molded and pressed, it enters the aging phase, where it is stored in a controlled environment that maintains specific temperature and humidity levels, allowing enzymes and bacteria to continue developing flavors, while the cheese is monitored regularly to ensure even aging and prevent spoilage. Finally, after the aging process is complete, the cheese is ready to be packaged and enjoyed, whether served on its own, incorporated into recipes, or paired with wines and accompaniments, showcasing its unique flavors and textures that have developed throughout the meticulous production journey. Understanding the journey of cheese from milk to the final product not only enhances appreciation for this culinary delight, but also sparks interest in exploring different types of cheese around the world, leading to vibrant markets and workshops that celebrate the art of cheesemaking and its rich cultural significance. The foundation of great cheese begins with high-quality milk sourced from healthy animals, often raised sustainably on farms that prioritize animal welfare, as this directly influences the flavor profile and texture of the cheese, making it essential for cheesemakers to build strong relationships with their dairy suppliers.